Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. My name is Jonathan, and I help individuals navigate their way through their spiritual awakening. If you're looking to gain a deeper understanding of the whole spiritual awakening process, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified each time that I upload a video. Same thing with returning subscribers. If you want to be notified each time that I upload a video, go hit that bell, okay? And in today's video, I want to talk about 5 things you need to know about the March 24th new moon. Let's get started. This new moon, the March 24th new moon, is bringing forth a completely different type of energy than we've been feeling the past 6 months. The past 6 months, the energies have been so high that they've been bringing up these unhealed wounds. They've been showing us blockages that we've had, self-limited beliefs that were causing us to have blockages. They have been triggering us to continue to help ourselves heal, to continue to help raise up our vibrations. But now, all of a sudden, the energy is completely different. It's now this calm, soothing energy. It just seems, even though on the outside, even though around the world right now, things seem to be going crazy. When you'll be able to go look within, there's this calm, soothing energy that's being brought forth. And that's the exact reason why now all of a sudden it's this calm energy. It's to help you release any type of stress, any type of fear, any of those bottom feeding emotions. And it's really allowing you to tap into your heart space, tap into love, joy, and especially beginning to create inner peace. And I'm telling you this, no matter if you're awakened or not, this is going to be a time of self-reflection. You are going to gain so much knowledge on yourself over the next short period that it's really going to help you, propel you on your way, on your life's journey. And let's get started with these top 5 things that you should know about the March 24th new moon. And the first thing that you should know about the March 24th new moon, it's now time to retreat. It's now time to really go within. That's why all this is happening. All these distractions are being eliminated out of your life in order for you to really close off your circle and really begin to only focus on what you see. Because let's be honest, right now everything seems to be crazy. But if you look simply just around you, just as I look around myself here, around this beautiful park, it's absolutely calm. And that's the thing. Take this time to go within. And some of you have been working some crazy hours. You're going to need to take some time to rest. But it doesn't mean that you can't begin to focus on what your heart desires. You can't begin to focus on certain ideas that you've had, but you haven't been sure of how you're able to move forward. And now's really the time to look within and get yourself out in nature each and every single day, or else begin to meditate and really begin to put your focus on how is it that you're able to serve moving forward. What would really bring out the joy out of you? What are you truly passionate about? And it can be simply just starting by jotting down ideas. Any little action, I'm telling you this, is going to have a rippling effect throughout the universe. Okay, it's just every day start looking at this and continue to work towards your overall goal. And I'm telling you this, even though you're not aware what the final goal is, I have no idea where I'm going to be in 1 year from now. I just know this is the next step that I've been guided to do. Therefore, I just keep moving forward, and eventually everything will be shown to me, just like everything will be shown to you. The second thing you should know about the March 24th new moon is, for all of you who identify yourselves as light workers, it's now time for action. Okay, and for those of you who are not quite aware of light workers, it's someone that wants to either help heal the world, help individuals heal, help raise the vibrations in the universe, help do something that will bring joy towards others, whether it's through service or through creating something. But it's now time to step up to the plate. It's now time to start taking action. Okay, this is why this is all happening currently right now, is to really allow you to once and for all change that direction in your life and begin to head towards what it is that you're passionate. Begin to serve in the authentic way that you know you were put here to do. And it's by continuing each and every single day, you're going to receive guidance. It's each and every single day taking action. It doesn't matter how small of action is. As long as you're putting time and effort and energy into a certain project, into towards a certain direction, everything is going to be shown to you each and every step, single step of the way. And think about it. Think about this past winter, the last 3 4 months, all the inner work that you've done, all the knowledge that you've gained. I'm telling you this, you are now ready to start taking action. Don't hesitate. Don't even think about how am I going to be able to do this. Just receive the guidance and then now act upon it immediately. The third thing you should know about the March 24th new moon is there is this opportunity to begin to receive divine downloads, begin to receive clear instructions as to how you should move forward. And whether it's through getting yourself grounded by going out in nature and clearing your thoughts and just breathing in the fresh air and then taking in the guidance, or else whether it's through meditation, you're able to now receive this very valuable information that will show you the exact path that you should be taking. And for some of you, you might be right now able to start accessing the Akashic records. And the Akashic records is picture a library filled with everything that you could possibly imagine. Any piece of information you could possibly imagine is available. And this is more going to happen through meditation, through doing a deep meditation. And what I suggest doing, if you want to try to access the Akashic records, call upon Archangel Metatron. That's what he's there for. Archangel Metatron will help align your vibrations with the exact perfect match to the Akashic records. And also on YouTube, there are plenty of meditations that can help you access the Akashic records. So if you're feeling right now, you're already receiving the divine downloads, you're already receiving guidance as to how you should move forward, but now you want to expand your consciousness, you want to gain a deeper knowledge. Try accessing the Akashic records. I'm telling you this. You're going to learn life lessons. You're going to gain information that's going to help you for the remainder of your life. And the fourth thing that you should know about the March 24th new moon is this energy that's coming through is allowing you to literally be the complete opposite of what the masses are doing right now. As individuals are now starting to fearful. Okay, individuals are starting to feel anxiety. People are starting to empty out the shelves because of fear of lack. What I want you to do is, instead of dipping into those bottom feeding emotions, dip into love, peace, and joy. When others are lacking, it's now time to give. And not only this, by being able to maintain that high vibrations, you're going to be helping the overall collective. And not only this, you're really going to be helping those around you, your loved ones around you, be able to remain calm, because things are not as they appear. What everyone is seeing currently on the news, that's just surface stuff. Okay, there's this hidden blessing that's being brought forth, and that's what it is. It's about self-discovery, about discovering truly what you're passionate about, and getting out of rationally thinking and really getting yourself to start move forward through your heart space and do exactly what you know and what you feel is right for you. And that's the thing. Your brain has no way of knowing which is the highest timelines available, whereas your heart is able to pick out the highest timelines possible. When you see signs and when you see synchronicities, when you watch, let's say, watch a video, a movie, hear a song, and you resonate with it, you get this heightened emotional feeling. That's your heart space telling you to follow that path, to head in that direction. That is your best available choice right now. But it's only through remaining, keeping your vibrations up high, by remaining in peace, love, and joy, that you're able to really heighten up your intuition to be able to see these signs and see these synchronicities. And I'm telling you this, it's really going to help your loved ones around you. It's really going to help keep them calm at the exact same time. And the fifth thing that you should know about the March 24th new moon, we are all being given the gift of time. Time is the most expensive currency, the most valuable currency that there is. Think about it. No one is able to live 200 years. You might be able to remain as healthy as possible and maybe get another 10, 15 years. But right now, we're all being given the gift of time. A lot of individuals are now staying at home. A lot of businesses are closing their doors temporarily. And that's the thing. You're being given the gift of time. And it's fine for a short period of time to rest and recuperate. But I really strongly suggest that you start taking massive action forward as far as what it is that you're passionate about, as far as what you know from your heart space, the direction that you should be taking. It's really important to now use that time wisely and now really start putting effort and energy towards your passion, towards what it is that you're driven. And it's just like the seasons, okay? Wintertime was all about healing, was all about self-discovery, and now springtime is about planting these seeds. Okay, and now what's going to happen, and now you're going to plant these seeds and they're going to begin to grow throughout the summertime. They're going to begin to grow, and then what's going to happen in the fall time, it's going to be time to harvest these seeds. You see, as in start taking massive actions now, and you might not quite see any type of anything coming back yet. You might not see any results immediately, but I'm telling you this, hidden surprises are going to be coming. Miracles will be coming into your life, and it's just a matter of time. It's continually projecting this energy out. And then eventually it's going to be reflected back to you. But the thing is by acting each and every single day, taking action towards this, it's going to have a rippling effect, as in something even greater than you could possibly imagine is going to come forth because of all the effort and energy that you've put into this. So really move forward. It's fine to recuperate for a short amount of time, but really begin to move forward with what matters from your heart space, not going through logic as far as how am I going to be able to survive, because you're not here to survive, you're here to thrive. Okay? Abundance on all levels is our God-given right. Well, that's going to do it for the video. You guys have an amazing new moon. You guys have an awesome day. Get yourself out in nature. It might seem cold out here right now because it's snow, but I'm telling you this, it's like -2 degrees. It's an absolute beautiful day. I love you guys. You guys have an amazing day. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.